We are announcing our next giveaway that's currently happening right now, starting today. With this giveaway, we've got a 1993 Honda Civic VX. VX, right? VX. Yeah, VX. Civic hatchback VX. Okay, this is a stock Civic. Along with the Civic, the first place winner will get our all-wheel drive, our complete all-wheel drive conversion kit, which includes our Alpha6 Rear Trailing Arms, as well as our Delta 7 Rear Diff Mount Kit, and Billet forks, and also a set of the lower control arms as well, which isn't currently on this table, but it does come with the giveaway first place winner kit. And I say first place because this time around we are going to have second and third place winners as well. Our second place winner will be given this set of the OEM style rear trailing arms, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive rear trailing arms, already powder coated in this beautiful purple. And then finally, our third place winner will receive the Delta 7 Rear Diff Mount Kit. It is currently live at the moment. You guys are able to go on Garage at S1builtgarage.com to enter as many times as you'd like to increase your chances of winning. So the reason why we have the kit and the vehicle separated is so that the winner himself can actually put their own personal touch to the vehicle and install all of these components themselves, either with a loved one or neighbor, best friend, whatever. But it gives you the opportunity to give your own personal touch to the vehicle and build your own vehicle.
If I could have done better, would have got better. My brother looked me in my face and said, you're when the line hits your lyrics, just picture head so hard that your hat can't fit you. Either I'm with you or against you. Format bent you. Back through that maze I sent you. Talking to the rapping.